So the time now is 1:37, and I did pack a picnic bag behind. So if there's nothing to eat, well, we still have fruits and some snacks at the back,
Okay, we're in York right now. Gonna get some food, and Fiona thinks that there's a restaurant here, but there's no restaurant here. We're gonna find somewhere to stop and eat. So we ate at, what's that place called again?
Cafe.
What cafe?
Mills Cafe. You just came from there.
Oh, so we just had lunch at Mills Cafe. I'm trying to work out what the name was.
You were staring at it before.
Yeah, so we're at Mills Cafe, and I had a homemade burger with chips. That was $17, and Fiona had a cheesecake.
We shared the cheesecake.
Yeah, how much was that?
I don't know. All up adds up to $20.
$20. Okay, so we've arrived at the York Town Centre. We've parked on the side, and we're gonna go for a walk. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some ice cream.
I'm just gonna look for ice cream.
So we're gonna look for some ice cream. Okay, so we're gonna head down to the town hall, which is just straight ahead. Okay, so we're trying to figure out where we're gonna go. A bunch of brochures here.
The map.
You found anything?
I want the ice cream. There's a blowout. There's not blowout.
Where's the trail?
Look out.
Where's the trail?
There's lots of trail. I don't know.
The bridge, suspension bridge.
It just tells.
I think I want to go to the suspension bridge.
Here, number 1, map 177. Map 177 is where?
Okay, so we're here in the town centre. It looks pretty dead. Quiet because it's Sunday.
Oh, look, there's a Chinese restaurant.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a Chinese restaurant here.
Just fall asleep, you know, instead of me.
Okay, babe, where are we?
Suspension bridge. I have been to another suspension bridge before, but this is the first one I have done in Perth. I think this is where they do the Avon descent. Can't be sure, but I read somewhere that it is.
So you just look down there.
I don't know where else we're gonna go today. This is one of the highlights. I am just so hot and looking forward.
You leaving it back here? Okay, so we're heading to another place to get to get an ice cream. What's the ice cream place called, babe?
York ice cream.
We're going to York ice cream. So is it? What's the name of the place called York ice cream?
I'll find it on. Let's put in the room.
What can we see then? York ice cream. Yeah. Is it? It's not. What's the address?
254 Ashfield.
Okay.
Let me see where's the blowout. Not brown.
Okay, we saw some kangaroos. They're just hopping away.
They're so smart. They went under the fence.
Yeah,
they know how to get out of the fence.
So they they went under the fence to get out and get in.
And they were on the road before.
Okay. Okay, so we're here at this York Olive Co. ice cream factory. There's another straw statue here. So since it's so late in the afternoon now, it's like 4:30. We're not sure if this ice cream place is still open, but we're gonna check it out. Which one are you gonna get?
Probably jar honey. Do you want anything?
No, I'll share with you.
Okay, this is the award-winning Jara honey ice cream. If you come to York, you definitely must try this. So there's a lot of award-winning ice cream. However, this one has won the most award. I actually wanted to get the mango one that has won this year's award, but I can only eat one, so hence only got one. So good. Yeah, if you want, try.
It's good. Okay, we have arrived at Mount what?
Brown.
Mount Brown. We arrived at Mount Brown, and
We're getting out of the car.
we're at the top of York. So at the top of Mount Brown, we're gonna check out the view of the town. So let's go. So we're in Mount Brown at the moment, at the top of York. As you can see, it's town centre from below. And there's Fiona there, taking some photos, probably selfies.